Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day today. In today's video, I am unboxing my January Pearlesque box. Now, this month was a little bit different when they sent it. Normally it is in a big like aqua colored box, but this month for some reason I received it in a white box with this, their sticker that says Pearlesque Box on it. So I did open it to take a peek because I was like, this is a little bit different. I've never had them send the box like this. So I opened the box. I didn't look at the products. I just opened the box. And when I opened it, I got the card in the box. It was in the top and it was folded. So normally they don't fold the card like that. So I was not really happy that the card was folded, and it says say aloha to a new year and better skin, and then about Hawaiian Skincare on this side, the information about the company founded by Kapua Browning. It tells you about the two products in the box. It's the Aloha Youth Serum, which I really love a lot, and then their new Aina Mask, and it is full size. So we're just gonna get into the box. Now, I've showed you the Aloha Youth Serum before in one of my Beauty Heroes boxes, but they have this wrapped up. So I'm wondering if they had a lot of subscriptions and they ran out of the aqua boxes for January and just sent them this way. So, and I had seen other people have been receiving their boxes, and it took a while for me to get mine. I just received this yesterday, so I don't know. Let's see. And this is the Aina Mask. It says Aina Mask for the land lovers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this stuff back in the box. Put the box down there. And the serum, the way the serum box opens like this, and then it folds out. I'm going to open it because I want to use the serum today. And then it folds out like that, and then you just open it like the way it was before. And it's like a yellowish creamy serum. I'm shaking it up. Oh, I just got it on myself. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so apparently when I shook it and then opened it, it released the pressure out of the bottle and a bunch of serum went flying. Not a lot. I didn't lose that much. So I have it everywhere. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oy. I have it all over the side of the bottle. Okay, so now you guys know, probably if you watch that video of mine, the Aloha Youth Serum, I really like the serum a lot. So you guys know what it looks like. So it looks like a yellowish creamy color in the serum. I really like it a lot. This is a really nice serum. I'm going to put one drop on so you can see that is a nice serum. I'm going to rub it in my hand. I love the scent of this serum. It's really great. I just love it. Okay, and then one of their newest products, this is their new product, the mask. Now let me see what it says about the mask. It says, a weekly treatment, this mask utilizes nature's gifts from the land to give any skin type a revitalized glow. It was designed to detox congested skin, calm blemishes and inflammation, while giving skin a little circulation kick to brighten, tighten, and hydrate for a flawless canvas. It's also perfect before an event or special evening. So it says it has Hawaiian raw honey, I don't know how you say this, kalo or kalo, activated bamboo carbon, hibiscus, and olena is the Hawaiian turmeric, is healing and inflammatory. And okay, Nioi, if I'm saying that wrong, guys, I'm sorry. It says Hawaiian chili pepper. Okay, and that might be a little heated on the face. So let me open up the mask. I can get it open. Yep. Doing the same thing. Hold on, guys. I gotta get another tissue. It was going everywhere. Seriously, it was like going everywhere. Everywhere. Alright, I'm going to be a little more careful when I open this. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's all over the inside. You see that? That's what leaked in here. So it's not Pearlesque's fault. It's not Honua's fault. It's just the weather's fault. Okay, guys, I'm back. I finished cleaning up the container. I mean, I still have some on the outside there. I mean, I'm not going to see all of it, but this is what the mask looks like on the inside. So I'm probably going to give this mask a try for Mask Monday. Yeah, I think that would be really enjoyable to use this one for Mask Monday. Don't you think, guys? Yeah. So this is the January 2018 Pearlesque Box. It is from Honua Skincare, the Aina Mask, and the Aloha Serum. Okay. Let me know what you think of the Pearlesque Box curating. What do you think about what they're curating in their boxes? I'm really liking what they're curating. I mean, I like that they sent this serum, even though we got it in June, I think, or July for the Beauty Heroes box. But because I finished that one up already, but it's really nice to have this come back, and then they did something just a little bit different with the mask. So yeah, guys, let me know. Okay, take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, guys, bye.